Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to have a strategy on how to factor algebraic expression, specifically polynomials for the 8th graders. Let's start. Now, in this slide, I have here a table on how to do, not a table, but a diagram on how to do the factoring. Now, you start factoring by doing the common factoring. Now, if you have the common factoring, technically, when you opt it out, you check now the structure. Now, the structure could be binomial, trinomial, or multinomial. Now, if you have now binomial, you check if it is a difference of two squares, followed by, or it could be sum and difference of two cubes. Now, for trinomial, you identify if it is perfect square trinomial or not perfect square trinomial. If it's not perfect square trinomial, you check if the leading coefficient is equal to 1 or not equal to 1. If it's equal to 1, you use the method trial and error of the product and sum. While for the Xbox method, it is more on tedious method on how to work out. Now, if it's multinomial, you do it by groupings. At this point, let's look at now what are those factoring. Now, when you go with the binomial, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. That is how you factor now the difference of two squares. For the sum of difference of two cubes, if you have two cubes without the sum, that will be AB, then you multiply now the first term, you square now the first term, then multiply the first term and the last term, and then by -1, and then square. For the difference, it's just the same, however, it will be plus on the middle term. Now, for perfect square trinomial, if you identify that the trinomial is a perfect square, the answer would be a square of a binomial. So, the identifier, if it is plus or minus, is the middle term. For the general trinomial where a is equal to 1, remember that this is the sum and this is the product. The trial and error would work if you're not yet familiar with it. Again, that is how you factor now algebraic expression or polynomials. So technically, it goes with common factoring and then checking the structure. And the structure will tell you what factoring strategy you're going to use. Thank you for watching.